What's going on, everybody? Derek here, Life in the RC. Okay, so yesterday, I was saying how I was gonna get this bad boy out on the road, and then I had some tuning issues in the video I put up. Got that taken care of, and I also had a couple different sets of tires that I was gonna maybe put on here, and I was asking to see what you guys' thoughts might have been, and so far I'm thinking I might go with these. But I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to maybe try the bigger one on the front and the smaller one on the back. Just for shits and giggles. Because, you know, it's all shits and giggles until someone giggles and shits. So, yeah. So I've been slowly working on that. So I decided, yeah, you know what, I'll get a video up me doing it. Why not? So I got two wheels off. I just want to go around tightening some things. And, yeah. So, we'll go ahead, turn this back around this way. Let's get these tires off of here. These tires here, because of these wheel hub extenders, these are put on with an Allen key. Okay, go. Oh wow, that one's really on there. Gotcha. Okay. So now while I've got these off, I'm just gonna go around and double check everything, tighten things up that might be loose, and so on and so forth. I'm really not a big fan of this billet CNC suspension kit. How it comes with these nuts and bolts. I mean, like these are on here. Like I got this like this. It came like this. Whoever got it built this like this. But I mean, even still, I mean, like with how these are all tight as can be, I'm gonna try and tighten them up a little more. Like this is so loose. Like it's unbelievable. But I'm gonna see what I can do. Yeah, like that's tight as it'll go, man. Like, I don't know. This one's nowhere near as tight as it'll go. I can't help but think it needs to be some sort of spacing or like a bushing or something in there. Like it's just not right. Something's just not right about it. That's not big enough. Uh-oh. Let's see here. Yeah, I guess I'll just have to use that. Okay. I'm still not liking that. Okay. Alright. So just to show that I did get this up and running a little bit better, I'll turn this on real quick. Oh. Yeah. Working a lot better. Alright, go ahead and shut that off. Oh, fires right up too, which is perfect. So, all right. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on here, see what it looks like. Just let me find all the wheel nuts here. That one. No, that one for the back already. Okay. So that one there, one right there. Okay. Why do I only have two? There it is. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and put these on here and see what this is gonna look like. Okay, there's one. And there's two. Okay, there's the back on. Okay, now let's go with putting these front ones on. Okay. Alright guys, last one. Let's see how she looks here. Okay. She's on there. Alright. Well, that's how she looks anyways. I don't know if you can tell the difference in the camera, but I'll grab the body here. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? You know, it looks good? It's gonna give it that stance like this, you know, like kind of like Mad Max stance. So, all right, let's go out for a rep. I'm going to find my body clips here, wherever I put them. There's two of them. I'm not sure where the other ones are. I'm sure they're here somewhere in my pocket, maybe. No. It's alright. It's okay. Alright. Well, I got two. And there's the other two. Okay. Alright. I'm going to put a little bit more fuel in this. Oh. Okay. Fuel to that. There we go. Alright. Time to go and fire her up. So, now, let's see if I can get this down there in one shot. Okay. Got that. One sec, guys. Open the door. Starting to get dark out. Okay.